Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new boat that we have available. This is a Scout 277 LXF. Starting off with the exterior, this is the shark gray hull color, done on a full hull. Very popular color from Scout boats. This is one of Scout's more impressive running models, especially under 30 feet. Big Carolina bow flare up front. White rub rail with a stainless steel insert is standard. Got a full walk-through transom and an optional drop-in stainless steel ski pylon. This boat is powered by twin Mercury 225 four-strokes. And now we'll make our way up inside. So now here in the cockpit on the 277 LXF from Scout Boats, we've got a very nice stern seat here, a nice high backrest, comfortable place to sit for two adults. Stows away nice and easy. You've got tackle storage on the starboard side after you enter the boat. This is a full walk-through transom like we typically see in all the Scouts 24 feet and above. You've got the live well on the port side, rod holders and cup holders along the back. This boat also has fender pros, the quick connect for your fenders. You've got a storage box here on the aft portion of the leaning post, freshwater sink, rod holders and cup holders here as well. This enclosed space houses the seakeeper unit, which you can actually see if you remove the trash can here. You can see the seakeeper unit beneath the leaning post. This boat is heavily equipped and is ready for the water. Coming forward to the leaning post area, two bolsters that are independent of each other along with the armrests that drop down. Notice the diamond stitching on the Grigio gray and cream accented upholstery, which is an ultra vinyl, very soft and comfortable. We've got the SeaDek flooring at the helm, so very comfortable whether you're seated or you're standing in a leaning position. Great visibility, great height, so it's a great setup for the operator when driving. Digital throttle and shift with those Mercury 225 four-strokes. We've also got the Optimus 360 joystick installed on this boat. Touchscreen from Garmin, that's a 10-inch unit. You've got space for another one right beside it, along with a lockable glove box area and Fusion stereo remote. Got JL speakers all up in the hardtop, both fore and aft. Coming around to the port side, got a porcelain head on board, along with a porthole to the starboard side. Lots of great storage. You can see we've got the boat cover down there on the floor. This boat also has a built-in battery charger to keep those batteries nice and fully charged. Full glass windshield. Keeps you out of the elements. Here we've got a forward-facing seat with a very nice tall backrest with storage and a cooler area beneath. Storage forward of the headrest in the bow. We've got the bow cushions currently stowed away. These bow backrests also easily removed if you want to convert this area to fishing or just open up this space in general. We've got another storage locker that's very deep down on the floor. It serves as another fish box in addition to the two you've got in the cockpit. Stainless steel grab rail forward. Remote control windlass anchor is up here as well, if you can operate at the foredeck and back at the helm. We've also got a wash down for that anchor windlass system. That is a walkthrough of Scout's 277 LXF. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island. If you have any interest in this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.